Hello, this is Tucker from the Math and Physics Resource Center at SVSU, and in this video we're going to go over the multiplication rule. So the multiplication rule tells us that if events A and B are independent, then the probability of A intersect B is equal to the probability of A times the probability of B. So we can use this formula in both example 1 and 2. We'll start with example 1. Suppose an experiment consists of rolling a fair die twice. What is the probability that a 3 is rolled, then a 5 is rolled? Okay, so the first thing that we want to do with this problem is figure out the probability of a 3 being rolled and the probability of a 5 being rolled. So with a fair die, there's 6 sides. One outcome as 3 will tell us that the probability is 1/6, and the same thing for 5. The probability will also be 1/6. So using the multiplication rule, since we want to find the probability that a 3 is rolled, then a 5 is rolled, we'll find the probability of 3 intersect 5, which we can write, because of the formula, as the probability of 3 times the probability of 5. And if we plug in the numbers we have, we've got 1/6 times 1/6, which is equal to 1/36, which is our final answer. So moving on to example 2, we have another experiment that consists of flipping a coin, then rolling a fair die. What is the probability that heads is flipped and 4 is rolled? Okay, so now we've got two different factors here. We've got a coin flip going on and a die. Both of those are independent from each other, so we can use the multiplication rule. So again, just like the last problem, we want to figure out what the probability of heads is and what the probability of rolling a 4 is. So because it's a coin, it's got two sides, heads and tails. So the probability of heads being flipped is 1/2, 1/2. And just like the last problem, rolling a 4 on a die has a probability of 1/6. So now we can use the multiplication rule and find the probability of a heads intersect 4. So that will be the probability of heads times the probability of 4, which if we plug our numbers in, gives us 1/2 times 1/6, which we can simplify as 1/12, which is our final answer. And that's about it. Thank you for watching.